5 signs that you're healing from a past relationship. Number 1, you remember but it doesn't hurt the same way. Dati isang mention lang ng pangalan nila o kahit isang kanta, bumabalik lahat yung sakit. But now, it's just a memory. Walang bigat, walang luha. Number 2, you focus on yourself more. Mas inintindi mo na ngayon yung sarili mo, your goals, your passions, your happiness, kaysa sa mga nangyari sa nakaraan. Number 3, you no longer check on them. Hindi mo na kailangang alamin kung masaya ba sila, kung anong ginagawa nila, kung okay ba sila, kasi mas importante na ngayon yung peace of mind mo. Number 4, you stop waiting for closure. Naiintindihan mo na ngayon na hindi lahat ng tanong may sagot at hindi mo na kailangang marinig ang sorry para makamove on. And lastly, number 5, you genuinely wish them well. Wala nang bitterness at wala nang mga what ifs. You've already let go of your anger and replace it with peace. Masaya ka na ngayon kahit anong estado nila sa buhay kasi alam mo sa sarili mo na nakamove on ka na. Healing takes time and it won't happen overnight. Okay lang kung dumadaan ka pa rin sa proseso. Pero kung dumating yung araw na gumaan na lahat at hindi na kasing bigat ng dati, congratulations, you've made it. You are free.